Hi guys, welcome to another video by Ecommerce Factor. Today we're going to talk about comments moderation. Let's start the timer. Okay, so the first fix for your Facebook ads and page is using the built-in page moderation functions that Facebook offers. You do so by going to your page. This is the Ecommerce Factor page. You go to the settings and then you go to the profanity filter. You set it to strong. It's already set to strong in my case. And then you go up here to the page moderation. This is basically a list of words that are automatically blocked. Once someone comments on one of your ads and post and his post contains one of the following words, the comment is automatically hidden. So you can upload each word one by one, or you can upload a CSV. I'll share with you guys a CSV that we use in order to block all the unwanted words from our comments. So this was the first thing. The second thing is make sure that you answer all your customers. You can do this on your own or have a VA answer your customers. Basically the main idea is having a sticky notes that contains generic answers to the questions that are most frequently asked, like where is my order, what is the price, is the shipping free, etc. And then you just copy and paste the answers every time with adding the personalization. I mean the name of the customer that asked the question. For example, hi James, your order is on its way. You can track it via, and then you share the link for the track your order page in your website. And the last thing is removing GIFs. The Facebook moderation tool that I showed you guys doesn't remove any GIFs, so sometimes customers, unhappy customers or customers with a good sense of humor, they post GIFs that as comments for your ad, and it might be funny for some customers, but it might turn some customers down. So you must go every day on a daily basis, enter your ad and make sure that you hide all the GIFs. That's it guys. I'm going to share in the description of the video a link to the CSV with all the words you can upload to the Facebook moderation tool, and make sure that it blocks them automatically. Regardless, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Facebook group. And if you like this video, please comment, share, and let me know if you encounter any funny GIFs in the comment sections of your ads.